Wayborn engine shed, and look at this lot. Love it. Look, 104 DMU, Metcam DMUs. You've got 3-car unit there. There's I don't know what that is. 08 shunter, Ellen White tank. What's this? I don't want to get near. That's Goliath. That's on loan from the Dart Valley Railway, that engine. I'll try and get a good bit of film of that later on. So it's all done really quickly. The Wayborn station is very nice. Sorry. Some people getting off here. Wayborn station. Maybe you can get a good shot of Goliath. Oh, it's Hercules, not Goliath. Might go in a minute. I'm sure that's on loan from Painting in Dartmouth Railway, Jeremy Austin. Yep. Now he's getting back in the cab, probably go. You've got the token. See that piece of cable? That's the token to permit him to go to showing it. So hopefully it will go now and I can get back on that train. Come on, hurry up and go.